Using a trim tool, go ahead and pop up your retainer button here and repeat for the other side. Using your trim tool, go ahead and reach up between the grille and the bumper and release that retainer clip. And on the side right here, I'm going to reach right down. We have that out. We're going to go ahead and repeat on the driver's side. Along the bottom edge, I'm going to go ahead and release our clips from along the bottom. And pop out your grille. Now in our case here, we want to go ahead and reuse our Chevy emblem and put it onto our new grille. So what we're going to try doing is we're going to use a razor blade to come in right behind the back side and just work our way. Just press that blade in a little bit. And do that around the perimeter. What we're doing is we are cutting the double-sided tape that is used to secure our factory emblem here. Try using your trim tool to get between the emblem and the grille and just kind of push that in. Work your way around the perimeter where you had previously cut with the razor blade and gently pry upward as you're working your way around. I'm going to apply a bit of 2-part epoxy on the back side here. You can use double-sided tape as well. And mix up some of this around here and get that epoxy set up. On the back side of your emblem, there's going to be a little notch that lines up with this little high tab on there. Line up your emblem and just press that into place. Now if you're using epoxy, you want to go ahead and let that set up for about a half hour or so, and then you can go ahead and reinstall the grille. If you have double-sided tape, it's going to be pretty much instant. Stick it on and then go ahead and install the grille. Around the perimeter of your grille is going to be these gray mounting tabs that lock in to the little slots in your bumper. Let's go ahead and line up the grille where you need it to go. We'll press in our lower lock tabs. You should be able to just push this right back and snap it into place. I'm going to install our upper push retainers and repeat for the other side.